Hello, today on my PowerPoint presentation, we are going to talk about North Carolina Central University's Men's Achievement Center. The Men's Achievement Center falls under the Division of Student Affairs. So let's do a brief overview of the Division of Student Affairs mission and vision statement. The mission of the Division of Student Affairs is to provide transformational opportunities through programs, cross-curricular activities, community collaborations, and services that engage students in a holistic and inclusive learning environment. The Division of Student Affairs aims to be the leader in providing comprehensive and innovative co-curricular experiences that enhance and enrich student development. North Carolina Central University's Men's Achievement Center, also known as the MAC, is committed to enriching the quality of students' collegiate experience and ensuring their success at North Carolina Central University and beyond. The MAC, within the Division of Student Affairs, is home to a dedicated team of professionals, staff, and mentors that is committed to enriching the quality of students' collegiate experience and ensuring their success at NCCU and beyond. Now we're going to look at the MAC's mission and vision statement. The mission of the Men's Achievement Center and the African American Male Initiative at North Carolina Central University is to provide its members with relevant professional and social experiences that stimulate personal ambitions and development in the following areas: academic success, mentorship, identity and self-esteem, leadership, cultural and spiritual enlightenment, civic engagement, with a lifelong dedication to brotherhood, and to be the vanguard of collegiate African American male achievement, an Eagle Excellence community that celebrates and promotes scholarship, diversity, high achievement, leadership, and global citizenship. Let's take a picture of the men in the Male Achievement Center at North Carolina Central University. And as we look at the picture, I just want to highlight some of the things that they do. The Male Achievement Center focuses on networking, career readiness, tutoring, internships, career fairs. They focus on mental health, leadership development. They do community service. Some of the things that they've done for community service, they pass out food sometimes. They have built a house with the Habitat of Humanity. The program also, when it focuses on their studies, it focuses on syllabus mapping and time management. And those are two of the key areas that you really need to focus on with your students is time management and syllabus mapping. I really commend the MAC for the great work that they do. So now that we know some of the things they do, let's go into their core values. They have 5 core values, and that is respect for humanity, global awareness, spiritual and cultural enlightenment, leadership and service, and scholarship. Now, one of the areas that we'll be focusing on our paper is what are one of the things that we plan to implement with the program that we decided to study. So for me, I chose the Sisters of the MAC. This was a group that was formed on campus to support the men in the MAC, but not an official program. So what I would focus on doing would be implementing the same things for the Sister of the MAC so that they would have their own space in the same building with the MAC, and that the females would focus on the same things, the networking, the career readiness, career fairs, tutoring, internships, the syllabus mapping, the time management, leadership development, the community service. Um, the focus of the group, the Sisters of the MAC, their focus now is building healthy relationships between men and women and teaching them how to communicate with each other. And I think that is excellent. I think it's an excellent program, an excellent group that they have implemented. But I would like to see it as a thriving program with some of the same, with funding and them being able to do the same things that the brothers in the MAC do. So I can't wait to get into my paper and discuss that. And one more time, we're going to take a look at the young men in the MAC. One last time, there they are right there. So I hope to implement. That would be a program that I would implement, and in hopes maybe one day you'll see a picture of the Sisters of the MAC as they're thriving as well as the brothers of the MAC. My last slide is my reference slide, of course, and this is where you can find all the information that I've provided you about North Carolina Central University, about the Division of Student Affairs, about the mission statement of the Division of Student Affairs, and the MAC. If you get a chance, check that out. This is a very great university, and they have so many things, and they offer so many resources to the students at North Carolina Central. So I'm very excited about doing my paper and doing this presentation about them. Thank you.